Okay, lights, action, let's do this. My name's Larry Pryor. I'm standing here in Athens, Texas at the National RV Training Academy, and we are new to the RV space. I am new, my wife and I thought it would make a lot of sense when I found the school to at least do the fundamentals course so I'd know something about the RV. You can be a registered tech at the end of the fundamentals, or you can go on to the other 4 weeks and be a certified tech and start your own business. There's a big opportunity for this. If you're looking at an industry, if you're at a crossroads of saying, what am I going to do now? Have a look at this. If you're not really sure about whether you want to come to Athens and do the course, work through the online course. See if that will work for you. That's a pretty good lead into what you're going to experience here. And it is a week of fundamental with Todd Henson. He's the Director of Education here. He does the whole fundamental course on this online course. So you can actually take the course at home, see if it's something that you're interested in. If you just want to come to the school just for the fundamentals, that will help you in your RV experience. I came here out of one because of necessity and one is need, but then I saw a business opportunity. Call the NRVTA and you'll come out on top.